God, this thing is killing me.
All 30 pounds of it?
Welcome back to Boat Club. Today we've got a 3.5 horsepower Nissan 2-stroke outboard. We got out of somebody's backyard. The engine is seized up. We're going to see if we can get it running. Somebody's been in here trying to work on it already. They broke off the screws for the engine cover. The engine cover is gone, and some of the hardware for mounting the gas tank is missing. But we're going to see what we can do. Try again. Pull harder. Yeah, I guess it's seized up. Let's pull the spark plug out. Put some 2-stroke motor oil in the cylinder. See if we can work it loose. Alright, let me pull the plug wire off. God, that's really stuck on. Oh, crap. This is the stupidest thing I've ever seen. The end of the plug wire screws onto the spark plug somehow, and the wire is attached to the coil, so you can't take the spark plug out without taking the coil off the side of the engine. That can't be right. Has anybody out there in YouTube land ever had one of these apart? Plug doesn't look too bad, actually. A little bit of 2-stroke oil. And we'll let that sit for a little while. Hey, does that propeller spin? Do that again. Okay, so the propeller is not seized. Could just be a bad pull starter. Let's take the pull starter off.
Only all the bolts came out this easy.
Yeah, it looks like somebody broke off the bolt where this grounding wire goes.
Wonder who that was. No idea who that was.
Alright, lift off the pull starter, see if that works. Okay, pull starter's alright. Okay, see if you can break that loose.
Huh?
Someone has to stay here with Mom.
I could. Shit.
Doesn't feel very good.
Just sit in the couch with her? What's
Yeah,
so hard
I'm sure
about
all
that?
the bearings in there are dry,
Seems to be working.
but it's spinning.
You all three don't need to be in here.
That compression too. You can hear it.
Alright, well let's see if we can get the spark plug to spark.
Well, we have to get this safety thing.
What the hell is that?
It's a kill switch basically. The lanyard clips in here and holds it open, and then you attach it to you. So if you fall out of the boat and you pull the lanyard out, it'll shut the motor off.
When did they start using that? They didn't have that when I was a kid. If you fell out of the boat, it was your own damn fault.
Fall out, you die. Yeah.
Yes.
Well, now they have kill switches. It's like a jet ski.
Alright. Okay, we've got a wrench jammed in the kill switch, and we're going to try hot wiring up the ignition. Here, reground that broken off wire. Okay, we're going to hot wire in the broken off spark plug. Okay, let's see if we got any spark. Give it a pull. Ah, look at that. So we got compression and we got spark.
It's got a nice spark.
Alright, let's try putting let's put a teaspoon of 2-stroke fuel in the cylinder and see if it pops. Okay, dump a little 2-stroke fuel in there. Just a little.
That was a lot.
Okay, give it a pull, see if it starts.
Hear it. That was a lot.
Uh,
This is definitely used in salt water.
try it again.
Popped.
There it went. Okay, so we know it will run. Just got to get some fuel in the tank and see if the carburetor's any good. Well, the engine fired briefly. The gas tank has a bunch of crud in it, needs to be cleaned out. So we got a few things we need to do before we try to run it. So anyway, it looks like it's gonna work. So that's what we call we're gonna put that one in the win column. Free 3.5 horsepower Nissan Outboard. If anybody out there has an engine cover for this motor, we'd love to get a hold of one. Let me know. Put it in the comments.
Probably try to use the carburetor.
Nissan Motors, made in Japan.